Chaenomeles speciosa is the flowering quince. This is a rather large shrub, 4 to 8 feet high, but the most used cultivars presently are dwarf varieties. So you're looking more at a 3 to 4 foot high and wide if you use the dwarf varieties. It grows fairly quickly, kind of a dense, twiggy shrub, alternate and simple leaves, kind of a nice, deep, glossy green. And the leaves have this odd little structure called a stipule. So it's actually a simple leaf, oval shape, very fine teeth along the margin, but then at the base of the leaf there are these extra structures that aren't exactly leaves, and they aren't leaflets. They're a stipule. It's just an additional part of the petiole there. There's no real fall color. It's kind of a briefly, slightly, a little bit yellow, and then the leaves fall off. You'll see that the flowering is the most showy part of the plant, and it's early in the spring before the leaves come out, with the species being this kind of orangey red color. The stem is kind of a shiny brown with a spine, a single spine on the branch. And the spines aren't numerous, but they are significant if you're dealing with the plant. You know, you will get stuck. The flowers are kind of like an apple blossom, because this plant is related to the apples. So it's a 5-petal, single flower, this kind of reddish orange color. There can also be a pink variety and a white variety, and as I mentioned before, there's dwarf varieties. The fruit is kind of like an apple, a tart apple. These have been used to make jellies and jams, just 1.5 to 2.5 inches in diameter, this sort of greenish color.